if they're thinking they need a logo to get their business started, but they don't have anybody in their network, or they haven't really even written up a business plan or anything, maybe that's not the best place to start.
Maybe they don't need a full-blown brand identity yet.
Exactly. So
bigger fish to fry.
Yeah.
I'm super glad you brought that up, because we have to have the same conversations on our end too.
Yeah.
You know, maybe you don't need a banger video just yet, like, because who will see it?
Yeah.
You know, which is, you know, a tough reality, but that's where everybody starts. We didn't invest in a good video for ourselves until like our 5th year, and we made it ourselves.
Yeah.
You know, because we just weren't ready to post that stuff. We did all cell phone content for ourselves for years and years, because, you know, we were organically building up the business. Eventually we'll come out with banger videos.
Yeah.
But every business is in a different stage. So that's super important that like you work that in.
Yeah.